This is Annalisa watching Duke's video 242, which is a split trail with 3 dogs.
Okay, I think we're on video. Okay, we've got Sophie, Teddy, and Sky. And we're going to track Sky. Duke, take scent. Duke, 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 take scent. Okay, you got it? Yes. Okay, where'd she go? Search! Search!
Rhodey wants to play along too. Rhodey, come here.
Which way did she go? Which way did she go? Did she go over this way? Where's the dog? Find the dog. Find the dog. Where's the dog? Find the dog. Come on. Find the dog. Oh, leave it. Come on, find the dog. Which one is it? Which one is it? Come on. Show me. Is it this one? Is it this one? Yes? Okay. Okay. Good lad. Good lad.
Wow. That's awesome.
So for that exercise, I think that the other dogs were too close together. I felt like he wanted to check the other dogs, or have that be the dog and then keep going to the other 2 dogs. I could be wrong about that, but I would setting this up, I would spread them out a little bit more visually. I mean, it was a little hard to tell with the video. They might have been spread out perfectly, but it seemed like it was they were close from the angle I was seeing. But good job, good training exercise.